You will regret missing out on this stove. Amid the global energy crisis, this smokeless and energy-saving wood stove is selling like hotcakes in the market. Do you want to cooperate with us in sales? At present, this product has become a hot item in Europe and America, a must-have for courtyard gatherings in the Middle East market, the preferred cooking equipment for Southeast Asian customers, and a rigid demand in the African market. Such a smokeless and energy-saving hot product that can be used in multiple scenarios and under harsh conditions, can control the firepower, and is suitable for various pots on the top. Don't you want to join our agency team? Contact us now to enjoy exclusive regional agency.